Well, our first light snow. It's here. Another blizzard beginning. Let the blizzards begin. It's kind of nice having four-wheel drive. Actually make it up this hill. No problem. It's the only Ford that ever has so far for me. This is getting more like it. This here is what you call your Southwestern Ontario whiteout. It'll pretty much be this way every day till spring. I know that guy. Alright. It'll be worse top of the hill. Hope I don't have to pull over. Oh, there you go. Now that's a whiteout. This is more like it. Not like that sissy storm we had the other day. Maker. Just take your time. Hope nobody else is driving like an idiot, because they probably are. I love wrecking through I love going right through all the snow drifts. Global warming? You can put snow fences up. Just keep the snow from blowing so far into the road and that. Try and help with that up here. Yeah, traveling this way every day, back and forth to work. The worst actually is at nighttime. Because they haven't plowed the roads or anything at all yet. And this little hill that I'm just going up now, boy, it was scary coming down sometimes. Because that stop sign there, you're at a highway. You just drive according to conditions. That there's your official Canadian snowplow.